Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you our slim frame sliding window. For this window is very slim, right? And then let's see the lock. The lock is a concealed one which is on the side of the frame. Very smooth. So it will make your property look more modern and luxury. Let's move on the airtightness and the waterproof. This part matters most because of the design. That is, you see, the sash panel will go into the outer frame. And compared to the common system is that the sash panel will lock in the surface of the outer frame. So for this design, this window will better for the airtightness. This sash panel will go into the outer frame. What's more, you see, this is the block. This block will be installed in the inside, and this part will be installed in the outside. You see, the block is higher than the outside. So this block for waterproof. Also, you see, here's also the drainage hole. One and the two in the other side. So for this design, it's better for the waterproof. Okay, let's move on our stainless steel screen for mosquito. Let's see how it works. Now it is the closed situation. If you want to open it, you just open this panel and then it opens. When you want to close it, you just close this panel. It's easy to operate. For this window, because of the design, that is with an anti-sway block on the top check, the window sash will stay still in the strong wind and keep more stable. But for the common sliding window, they are easy to shake. Let's move on the inner structure of the sliding window. For this window, it features a reinforced mullion, this part, that will provide the support and enhance the resistance to the wind pressure. That is, when the wind blows from the outside, this mullion can have a supporting load in the inside to make the window not easy to shake. Let's make a comparison for the mullion in the window. Here is our curtain wall system. You see, this mullion is also for support. So this mullion has the similar function. So compared to the common sliding system, this design will be more resistant to the wind pressure.